Right. All right, today we're doing a repair on Julian Benjamin's house. This is the damaged shingle. 3-tab goes to there. We're gonna repair this. All right, so this one's already unsealed. Shingles are really brittle, as you can see already. It's got a small tear in it. Transferred matting too, as you can see right here. So this shingle won't seal properly. We'll have to caulk that down, as well as some others in here. So I'll start off with this. I'm only lifting the shingles up enough to grab the nail out. Okay. All right. So I'm going to lift the shingle up just enough to get the nail onto the ceiling strip, and I'm going to lift it up this much so the nail gets flush with the decking, as well as I clear my hammer on the shingle. As you can see, I have to lift it up this much. Okay. Do the same for the rest of these. Get the nail in the nailing zone, lift the shingle up just enough to clear the hammerhead, lift it up a little bit so I do not damage it striking down. Okay. All right, same with this. The nail in the nailing zone, just enough to clear the hammerhead. Okay, and then the last nail over here, same thing. Okay, these shingles above, I'm going to be putting nails in the previous nail holes to prevent any further leaking. So right here, I'll lift the shingle up enough to clear the hammer. Get the nail flush with the decking to prevent any further leaking. Same here, previous nail hole, just enough to clear. All right. Same here, nail holes right there. Okay. And then one more nail, it's right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe these shingles to simulate weathering, rain running down. All right, in doing so, you can see how we're missing granulars here. Keep missing all these granulars, having the shingle lose its water shedding capability. We have one shingle here, which starts right here. Okay, this one starts right there, so that's 2, 3 shingles. And then not only that, we have this transferred matting, which you can see here. Let's look at the other ones for transferred matting. That one has transferred matting. That one as well. So we have repair one shingle, 3 shingles are damaged.